Hey everyone, I'm so glad we're together in the studio again this afternoon. I have a fun illustration to work on I hope you'll enjoy. It's of our little friend Chickadee who wants to learn to fly this year for Halloween. It's a beautiful day outside, crisp and cool, just like a shiny green apple. So I hope you've had a lovely week and maybe you can get a breath of fresh air today, and let's get started. Well, hello again. I'm back in the studio. I was not in the studio yesterday. I will show you why. And also because I had reserve duty over the weekend and kind of like to take Monday as a break day after that. But anyhow, I got my illustrations all done and also designed a back and made these into postcards. And I also made a belly band for them in Procreate and cut everything on my paper cutter. I really wanted to get these done because my friend and fellow artist Kylie Frederick ordered some stickers over the weekend, and I was just so happy. I could have put a hug in the mail, but anyhow, I wanted to give her a little something extra in the package because she was my first order of the stickers. And then when it was all said and done, I just thought they were so cute. I made a bunch extra to give to my family and friends. Well, that's another day done in the little studio. I'm sure these guys are about ready to go to bed. We'll talk again tomorrow. Bye.